Unit 1, Vocabulary. Adherent. The king's loyal adherents advised him on the status of his kingdom. Because he trusted his supporters' warnings, he took action against those plotting against his kingdom. An adherent of an animal rights cause would likely volunteer their time working at an animal shelter. Assurance. Countless hours of practice gave Tatiana the assurance she needed to perform in the spring concert. Which definition of the word assurance is used in the sentence above? Auspicious. Valentine's Day is considered an auspicious day to get married because the day is characterized by an abundance of love and happiness. Which event would be considered auspicious? Bode. President Trump's travel ban did not bode well with both sides of Congress. Neither side was in favor of his idea because they thought it might cause harm in the future. According to the sentence, how did Congress feel about Trump's travel ban if they didn't think it would bode well? Brunt. His arm took the brunt of the blow in the car accident, so he wound up having to wear a cast for 6 weeks to heal his broken bones. If you took the brunt of the blame for breaking your mom's favorite vase, what did you do? Competent. After asking her a series of questions about her knowledge of children, the Hendersons found that their 15-year-old neighbor was competent enough to babysit for their 3 children. If you are deemed competent for a job, you... Contempt. The judge held the witness in contempt after he was asked repeatedly to stop interrupting the court proceedings. Which definition of the word contempt is used in the sentence above? Deadlock. The jury was in a deadlock and could not decide on a unanimous verdict. If 2 parties are stuck in a deadlock, they deteriorate. The beaches along the Jersey Shore have deteriorated drastically due to the harsh conditions of the nor'easter storm. Choose the best example of the word deteriorate. Disclose. Many people trust a psychic in the hopes that they will disclose information about their futures. If your best friend disclosed a private secret to the whole school, what might have happened to your friendship? Josh feigned an illness to get an extension on his research assignment, but his teacher read right through his fake sickness and told him it was still due. How might you be able to feign your emotions if you are feeling sad but don't want to show it? Inquisitive. The inquisitive child kept asking why every time I spoke to her because she was trying to understand exactly what I was saying. Which person would be inquisitive? Laborious. Completing my math homework is always a laborious task for me. I struggle with learning math, so to have to complete it on my own takes great effort. Which task would be more laborious? Muddle. The contestant on The Voice muddled the lyrics. This confusion caused her to be eliminated from the competition. If you muddled the materials you were going to use for your speech in front of the class, how do you think you are feeling? Pretense. Alex left lunch early under the pretense that he had to attend an urgent business meeting, but he actually had plans to meet with his girlfriend instead. Which word would be a synonym for the word pretense? Those are your words for the week.